Hi everybody, this is Ms. Casberry. This is going to be a short one because there's only a couple of things about this. This is residuals, and what are they? These are the distances in red from the regression line in blue. So the residuals are how far away from the actual line is this data. So it's asking what's the difference between what the graph predicts would happen and what the actual data was. All right, so here's one of the earlier graphs we did. If you click on the E1 plot button, there will be points that fall all along this x-axis here. And this will be the color of the point. So if you want to change it, remember, just hold it, pull it over, and change it into another color. All right, which is what I did, which is why we got red ones. If you plot your E1 points and they look like this, they're a random pattern and close to the x-axis, the actual data is very close to the model you drew. It's a good fit. On the next slide, I replaced that exponential function with a linear function. You'll notice that a residual plot looks like a U. It can also look like that, the upside down U. That means there will be another function that's closer, it's a closer fit. So here we got right here, when I changed it to a linear, your residual plot, also in red, is looking like a U. It's not bouncing back and forth along the x-axis. Close. It actually curves. It's way away here, then way away down here. All right, so you see the difference between a good fit and not a good fit. All right, so I told you that would be a short one. Y'all have a good one. See you on the next video.